Hi, my name is Jamie. Welcome back. Welcome if you guys are new. On this day, I am tackling my daughter's bedroom. I had washed her sheets and blankets the day before. They didn't get done until really late, like 10 o'clock in the evening. So she just stuck her fitted sheet on and grabbed her comforter and went to bed. So I'm just getting her bed made up, and I'm going to get her bedroom finished, packed up. I will leave out a few things that she can use, like that little table right there that's got the drawers in it with the Paris. That's got like her body sprays, some of her makeup and stuff like that. That I'm just going to leave all that in there, and then like right before we get ready to load it up, I will just take some plastic wrap and just wrap it around it and just keep everything secured. And the cleaning product I am using, I found that at Bed Bath & Beyond. It was like $9. It is a multi-purpose cleaner. You can use it on your windows, your shower, the kitchen. Stainless steel, you can use it on stainless steel, and it actually really cleans your stainless steel really good. But I found that at Bed Bath & Beyond, and it is a product made by Kris Jenner. It's just one of her cleaning products. She has laundry soaps, fabric softener, hand soap, tons of other products. I haven't tried them all. I tried the laundry soap. I like it. And I have tried that cleaning product, and I like it because I can use it on my stainless steel, and it actually cleans my refrigerator. Streak free and everything. But I'm just going to get my daughter's bed finished, made up. And that folder, I found it, and it's something that she's been needing for school. It's got some homework in there that she needs to get turned in. And I'm getting all this trash up because, oh my goodness, she's got so much trash in here. And that Mountain Dew can right there, that is mine. They are not allowed to have drinks, and well, especially her. She's not allowed to have drinks in her room because she doesn't take her trash and put it in the trash. She just shoves it somewhere. So I'm just going to get that all wiped down and get it cleaned off so I can get it wiped down and get things put back in order. And I get things as I'm cleaning, I kind of put everything back in order, but then once I'm done, I will start packing up her room. Legos I was just sticking in this drawer that I can just put back in there, because like right before we load everything up, I can just saran wrap that and keep the drawers closed. And plus I wasn't wasting a box for like hardly anything. But so now I just got that all wiped off, and I've got her oil diffuser going. And once we get to the new house, I do want to get her a shelf to put in her room that she can put like all of her holiday bears on, her dolls. That Rapunzel doll, me and my husband bought that for her second birthday at the Disney store, and she's 13 now. And then the fairy, the fairy off of Tinkerbell, we bought that one at the Disney store the same time when she was like 2 years old. So, and then her holiday Barbie dolls. So I want to get like a shelf to put in her room that she can display all that and just have it put up, because it's just been sitting in her closet on the top shelf. And this child loves Legos. That whole bin is full of Legos, and then there's another one I'm about to pull out that is slap full of Legos. She wants to be either a veterinarian or an architect. So she likes to build, and she comes out with some pretty cool stuff. And she had a bunch of clothes in the bottom of her closet floor. I wasn't sure if they were clean or dirty. I don't know, but they could be rewashed. Anyways, so there was some loose Legos in the bottom of her closet floor. I was just getting it put back in her little Lego bin. closing that closet door as quiet as possible. And even cleaning out her closet, I was trying to be so quiet doing it, cleaning her room, because her bedroom wall right here, that wall right there with the closet, that is actually connected to ours. Like, we share the same wall. And and the walls are super thin, so you can hear right through these walls. So I was trying to be quiet, so I didn't wake him up and everything. So now I'm just getting some more of this little stuff packed up, because I'm just trying to make it as easy as possible, like, on her. So we close November 30th on our house, so the 29th and like the 30th, she can just go in and take a box and just put the rest of all of her loose items in there. The stuff that I did leave out for her for the next couple of weeks. So, and that was some of her little Halloween decor on her bed. I got to take that to the living room and put that in the box with the rest of the Halloween decor. And those 3 boxes, I just took those and put those in the living room with the rest of them. And yes, she has a cookie sheet in her closet. I gave her that for her resin. It keeps her from making a mess on my kitchen table, and plus we can just stick it all on there. And the stuff smells horrible, so, and it makes the whole house stink. And it gives you a headache, so I just gave her the cookie sheet one, so she's not making a mess on my table. And we can just put it outside, and it can sit outside and dry. I mean, I cover it over and everything, and then we just stick it on the covered porch, so it can just sit there and dry. And Bailey just looks like a homeless dog. He has been banned from all of the groomers because he just don't like to be groomed, and he bites. And like, I even have a hard time grooming him. I bought a grooming table. I have to muzzle him because he bites at me. And he is a rescue. I rescued him a while ago. And it's always been like that ever since I got him. So he looks like a homeless dog a lot because he refuses to let me groom him. So I have to muzzle him and tie him down, and then my daughter has to hold him down. It's just a whole process. But he's about to get groomed this weekend. All she's got left to do is get her laundry washed up. That is her winter comforter. I need to take that to the laundromat, but it hasn't really got cold enough. And her little resin stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I still got tons more cleaning, and I'm about to get into some deep cleaning. That will be my next week's video. I've got a lot of deep cleaning I'm about to get done, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all have a wonderful Tuesday and a great rest of your week, and I will talk to y'all next week. Bye.